Oh, this is Hotel Hero. This is, I think, episode 5. If not, it's 5A. I got the JB Weld water weld epoxy all around all the seams and openings for the repair that we did. So that's rock solid right now. But before, I want to do a primer coat because I have so much material I added, but I got all this loose paint here. I have an actual drop cloth, even though some of the cement already come down during the leak. But the main thing is to have your utility knife. Okay. If for a chance you don't have a drop cloth, I just use leftover sheets, but basically you want to cut out all the paint. Contortionist. That feels loose. There's going to be quite a bit here. And hold a little ice bucket underneath it. At least kept some of the debris. You just want to pull the stuff that feels like it's loose. You can always come back if it starts bubbling again, because you don't want to remove all the material. Extra drywall dust. When there's less pickup. Definitely some loose stuff on the end here. Right by the caulk line. Some of the paper tape. And when we come back with the kills, it'll seal the edges and the exposed drywall mud. This tape is pretty bad here. I'm gonna have to cut it out. It doesn't look good. It was primed properly anyways. You can tap on it a little bit if it feels loose. Got a little bit on the corner. I can see it bubbling. Like my painter's ladder. Alright. Some loose stuff. Just cut it out. Well, it doesn't matter if you scuff it because you're going to paint it again and mud it. Tape. All right, that's it for this prep. We're gonna come back and prime, and then we'll skim coat it, and hopefully we won't get any cracks because the indentations aren't that deep. I hope you found this helpful, and have a super day.